everyone, welcome back and happy Monday. It's time for another Kozmik Nails BBB Duo of the Week. I'm going to start by placing mine in these jars that I got from Amazon. For those of you that are new here, a BBB Duo is dropped every Monday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. For that whole entire week, you can find the Duo at a discounted price. So this first color is called Irish Cream. It's just this really pretty milk bath base with green foils and clovers in it. The really cool thing about that one is that the milk bath base reflects the green foils in it, and you'll see that a little bit later on. This second color is called Emerald Isle, and it's just this really pretty green foil base with green glitters. Alright, so let's get into it. So I've already gone in and applied my peel base. I'm going to be using the odorless dip liquids from Color My World. So I'm starting with my middle finger because I have this idea in my head and I want to do it before I forget it. I'm not really sure what you would call it, if it's like marbling or what, but pretty much just combining the two colors on the one nail by taking an old makeup brush and lightly tapping it on certain areas of my finger. So I'm gonna go in with Emerald Isle first, and I'm just gonna randomly kind of place it in two areas. Then I'm going to go in with Irish Cream, and I'm pretty much just going to place this over the rest of the empty nail. So it's not exactly what I had in mind, but I think it still looks pretty cool. So now I'm going to go in with Irish Cream on my ring finger. And I'm going to do the pour over method for my first layer just so I can get a good base first. I will also apply the color to my index finger. Now I'm going to go in with Emerald Isle on my thumb and my pinky. I'll be doing the same exact pour over method for the first layer. I'm going to do the same exact steps for my second layer. So this time around, I'm more focused on trying to get more of the foils onto the nail. I'm not too focused about the clovers yet. So this time I did pour the glitter out into the cupcake liner just because with my other two nails I was struggling to get my nails into the jar and get a good coverage. So now I'm going to go in and hand place the clovers wherever I want them. I'm just going to dab the base layer where I want it, and then I'll use this tool to pick them up and place it. So while we do that, I don't know if you've noticed, but the milky white color of Irish cream has almost turned to a light green. I honestly thought that I did something wrong because I was very confused. But I learned that it's just because the milky white color reflects the green foils in it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and encapsulate all of my nails with Ultra Clear. The one thing I forgot to record throughout this whole thing until just now was cleaning up the cuticle line, which I do after I do every dip layer. Now I'm going to go in with my activator. You're going to notice here in a second I don't have anything on my pinky. I accidentally made a mistake and I ended up having to take it off and redo it here at the end. So I did file off camera this time and this is the result. So now I'm going to finish it with my 2-in-1 No Wipe Gel Top Coat and then I will cure it for 60 seconds. So as we get to the end of this mani, I just wanted to mention that I do have a code for you guys that you can use at checkout on Kozmik Nails website and on her Etsy. The code is Taryn10. I will have everything linked down below also, so don't forget to check that out. And we always finish off with some cuticle oil. I'm going in with my favorite one from Scales of a Mermaid called Spicy Reeds. So this is the finished look. Christy has come out with yet another amazing duo. I'm always so excited to see what she's going to come up with next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.